Hi guys, welcome back. So this one was a really requested video. A lot of you requested me to do this video, so here I am. Although you have to keep in mind that everybody's skin type is different, these tips and tricks work best for me, so here I am sharing these with you, and I hope this helps you. So let's get started. First of all, wash your face and cool down before you apply makeup. If you apply makeup on a greasy face or a not clean face, and not only there are more chances of bacteria growing and your skin breaking out. So when your skin is not cooled down before makeup, what happens is the ingredients seep into your skin more easily and resulting in more breakouts. So cleanse your face, wash your face, and then pat it dry and let it cool down and then apply makeup. So we are going to start with the primer first. Primer is really important because it makes your makeup cling to your face much more longer. Today I'm going to go with my Maybelline Must Prime, and I'm going to apply it on my T-zone where I tend to sweat, so that my makeup doesn't break there. And initially I'm just going to rub it very lightly, but then I'm just going to pat it. It instantly takes away the shine from your face. Now I'm going in with my foundation, and for foundation use any light foundation, especially for summers. So for foundation, use any kind of light to medium foundation. Don't go for full coverage foundation, especially for summers. There are so many good foundations for oily skin in the market, like the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, then you have the L'Oreal Matte Magique, L'Oreal Infallible, then Rimmel has got a couple of really nice foundations for oily skin, like Rimmel 25-hour foundation, I believe it's called, and then Rimmel Stay Matte foundation. Also, you can search for waterproof foundations like this one. This one is the MAC Face and Body, which is my favorite foundation. This one, however, I would not recommend for really oily skin types, but otherwise this one is a really good foundation. This one is waterproof as well, and Maybelline Fit Me is really good for oily skin types. So today I'm going to mix these two foundations together. This one has a really light coverage, almost sheer coverage, like your skin looks like your skin but better, which is what I really like. So, and this one has got medium coverage. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Color Bar Full Cover Concealer. So I'm using this one in the pot today because concealers in the pot, they tend to be a little bit more sticky and tend to cling to the face a little bit more longer. But in case this one is a little bit heavy for you, you can also use Benigual Pro Conceal Concealer. This one is an excellent concealer. And then just dab it with your sponge. If you want to leave it till here, you can, but I will brighten my under eye area using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Just a little bit, like this much. I love how it instantly brightens my under eye area. Now this step, which I'm going to show, makes sure that my makeup doesn't budge the entire day. So I'm going to take this Earth and Taurus Loose Powder, and I am going to dunk my sponge in it. But make sure you don't have any crease under your eyes before you apply this, otherwise it's going to seal that crease too. Now I'm going to apply it under my eyes, and I'm going to let it sit there for a couple of minutes. And whatever is left on the sponge, you can press it on your skin to set your face. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to use my favorite bronzer. This one is the Body Shop bronzer, and I love this. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I would avoid any kind of powder product, especially if I am really sweating. So I would go for a pencil, and this one is by Rimmel London. Eyebrow stand. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows with this Miss Claire transparent. Oh my gosh, every time I mess up this name. This is Miss Claire Color Lash All Day Wear Transparent Mascara. So now I'm going to dust away all the powder under my eyes. For my eyes, I prefer using cream eyeshadows during like really hot days, because those don't crease. If you don't have any cream eyeshadows, you can definitely go for pencils. You can go for any long-lasting gel pencils like this one. This one is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. Or you could go with the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is in the shade Classic Brown. I did a video where I showed how I do my eyeshadow using just one product, and that was this one. If you haven't watched it yet, then please go and watch it after you watch this video, and here's the link. Since I already made a video using the brown one, I would go with the purple one today. Oh, this one is not purple. Since I already did a video with the brown one, I would use the purple one today. So I'm gonna apply it and smudge it with my fingers all over my eyelids. Oh my gosh, it's really raining hard today. And then add this as a liner as well, close to your lashes. And smudge it really lightly. There you go. If you think that this one is looking a little bit strange or incomplete, then you can just add a little bit of bronzer on the crease of your eyes. Then the look looks more tied down. See? Looks super fresh and pretty. I'm gonna put the same eyeliner on the lower lash line, because sometimes when I go out, because of the sun, my eyes tend to water. So I would rather prefer using something waterproof so that it doesn't smudge. Oh, I love this. I'm going to take this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black and tight line my eyes. I would not use contour because I would use as much less product as possible, but this is not less. So I think I can do without contour, so I'm not going to contour my face today. Now I'm going to use blush. Use any kind of matte blush. These two are my favorite matte blushes. The first one is the Body Shop Truffle. The next one is a more summery one, a more pinkier one. This one is from Maybelline Color Show, and it is in the shade Fresh Coral. So I'm going to go in with the Fresh Coral today. Oh, so pretty. No matter what eye product you're using, be it a liner, a kajal or a mascara, make sure that it is waterproof and long lasting. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is this waterproof one. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is one of my favorites because this one just doesn't budge. Going with the highlighter, I'm going to go for the Maybelline Master Contour Palette and the highlight shade in that. The reason why I'm using this highlighter is because it is very subtle. Be very light-handed with the highlighter. So I'm using a very precise brush today to apply the highlighter because I want the highlighter to be on specific areas of my face. And if you think that you've applied too much, then go over it with your beauty sponge. By doing this, this will soften the highlighter. Now I'm going in with the lipstick. Now for lipsticks, I would avoid using the bullets, the lipstick bullets that you have, like this one. Rather, I would use something like Lakme 925 or any kind of crayons or pencils or any kind of matte lipstick. This one is really good. This one is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Since I have dark eyes today, so I'm going to go in with a nude lip. So I'm using this Maybelline lip liner. I don't have the name or anything, but I love this lip color. And lastly, use a finishing mist. Today I'm going to use this Color Bar Stay the Day Finishing Mist so that my makeup stays on all day long. and let it dry. Okay guys, so this is my finished makeup look. This is what I do when I'm going out and I want my makeup to last during summers. I am by no means a dermatologist or a skin expert. These tips and tricks work great for me. I hope it works for you as well, but we all have to keep it in mind that everybody's skin type is not the same. Also, when you go out and you see that you're sweating, please do not use any kind of powder on top of the sweat, because that can create a chalky look which does not look good. It will only exaggerate fine lines and wrinkles. So always carry blotting papers or tissue paper. Tissue paper works just as great as blotting paper. Also drink a lot of water, and if you want to skip the foundation routine, that's great. You don't have to wear the foundation. Instead, you can wear something like this. This is a great alternative. This one is the MAC Studio Fix powder. I swear by this. This one is amazing. Most of the days when I'm going out for just going out, grocery shopping or just casual outing, I skip foundation. I only use this one because I don't prefer using foundations very often. Otherwise, I always use my MAC Studio Fix. Also, very important, excessive sweating can also be a medical issue. So go to a dermatologist, go to a doctor and get yourself checked. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a like, share this video and comment down below what are your tips and tricks for a sweat-proof makeup. Also subscribe to my channel. Whenever you click on the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.